Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Water-roux bread with Milk Streusel filling. Top of the bread is shaped like a roll of roux, while the inside is filled with Taiwanese-style milk streusel and cranberries. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for a recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. The full recipe is in the description underneath the video. Soak cranberries with water for 2 hours. Prepare the Japanese-style Tangzhong paste or the water-roux by mixing water at 70 degrees Celsius with flour. Mix into a smooth paste like this. Prepare the bread dough. We have eggs, powdered milk, cream, yeast, salt, milk, sugar, and butter, and flour as well. Pour milk, cream, half of the sugar, and the instant dried yeast into a mixer. Mix well and let it stand for 3 minutes. Add eggs, powdered milk, the Tangzhong paste, salt, sugar, and half of the flour. Mix well. Add the rest of flour and butter, then mix well. I'm using this special machine to knead the dough into a smooth ball for about 4 to 5 minutes. You may also use the paddle attachment of a KitchenAid for mixing, then use the hook attachment to knead. Spray and brush a bowl with oil. Or you may hand knead the ingredients into a dough like this. Knead the dough into a smooth ball. Place it inside the bowl and cover with a wet towel. Let it rise inside a warm oven at around 85 Fahrenheit for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until the dough becomes double the size. Prepare the milk streusel filling now. Sift powdered sugar into the butter. Beat until they just combine. Add eggs. Beat until just combined, then add salt. Beat to combine. Sift in cornstarch, beat briefly. Sift in powdered milk, then beat until they just combine. Do not overbeat. Use a scraper. Scrape and press the crumbly dough into a paste. Do not overmix. Wrap the paste with plastic and leave it at room temperature. Drain and wipe dry the cranberries now and cut them into tiny pieces. Spray and brush the inside of baking pans with oil and place a piece of parchment paper at the bottom. To test whether the dough is ready, press the center of the dough, and if it doesn't bounce back, it should be good. Press the bread dough gently to release air. Knead the dough for a few times. Cut the dough into 2 portions. Divide each portion into 5 parts. Always cover the dough with plastic to prevent it from drying out. Press each portion into a disc. Fold the edge to form it into a ball. Cover and let the balls rise for 15 minutes. Dust the counter and the rolling pin with flour. Press and roll each ball into a rectangular disc about 4 inch times 9 inch. Flip the disc with the smooth side on bottom. Spread about 1/10 of the milk streusel filling onto about 40% of bread dough. Sprinkle some cranberries on. Cut the remaining bread dough into thin strips about 0.5 cm wide. Press to thin the tips. Roll the dough from top to bottom while securing the 2 sides. Place the finished dough into a baking pan with the opening at the bottom. Always cover with plastic to prevent the dough from drying out. Repeat for other 4 pieces and let the dough rise inside the warm oven for about 1 hour. They should be double the size like this. Afterwards, preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Brush the top of dough with milk. Convection bake at 335 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Remove bread from oven and let it cool on rack. The pattern on top looks so good on the bread. Texture of bread is extra soft and fluffy because of the add-on of the Japanese-style Tangzhong paste with the yummy Taiwanese-style Milk Streusel filling inside. The soft and fluffy Water-roux bread with Milk Streusel filling is now ready to serve. Enjoy!